Hey glow-getters! Sparkles, welcome back to Dress, Dine, and Shine, where we blend style, flavor, and self-love into one beautiful lifestyle. Today's glow-up is not about makeup or fancy skincare, it's all about what's on your plate, that's right. Today we're diving deep into scientifically proven meals that can feed your skin and help you glow from the inside out. So grab your smoothie, sit back, and let's nourish that radiant glow. Let's get into it. Glowing Star Section 1. The science behind skin-nourishing foods. Our skin is our largest organ, and it reflects what we put inside our body. Nutrients like vitamin C, E, omega-3s, zinc, and collagen-boosting amino acids are critical for elasticity, hydration, and that natural glow. A diet rich in antioxidants helps neutralize free radicals, those pesky molecules that cause premature aging, inflammation, and dullness. Here's the deal, just like your wardrobe, your skin loves variety, color, and quality. Green Salad Section 2. The ultimate skin-feeding superfoods. Direct hit breakdown of 8 powerhouse ingredients meal pairings. 1. Avocados. Avocado, rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, supports skin moisture and elasticity. Light bulb meal idea. Avocado toast with whole grains and pumpkin seeds. 2. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, fish. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation, keeping skin supple and hydrated. Light bulb meal idea. Grilled salmon with a quinoa kale salad. 3. Sweet potatoes. Carrots. Carrot, beta-carotene converts to vitamin A, your skin's natural sunblock. Light bulb meal idea. Roasted root veggie bowl with turmeric tahini. Dressing. 4. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, strawberry. High in antioxidants, protect skin from oxidative stress. Light bulb meal idea. Mixed berry smoothie with chia and spinach. 5. Nut seeds, walnuts, almonds, sunflower seeds, chestnut, great sources of vitamin E, selenium, zinc. Critical for skin barrier repair. Light bulb meal idea. Trail mix or yogurt bowl with sunflower seed butter. 6. Tomatoes. Tomato, lycopene, protects against sun damage and wrinkles. Light bulb meal idea. Tomato basil soup with whole wheat toast. 7. Green tea. Teacup without handle, catechins improve skin hydration, elasticity, and reduce redness. Light bulb meal idea. Matcha smoothie with spinach and banana. 8. Dark chocolate, 70% cacao, chocolate bar, antioxidants help with blood flow and hydration. Light bulb meal idea. Dark chocolate walnut bark with sea salt. Section 3. Scientific nuggets, with references. A 2012 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that women who consumed higher levels of vitamin C had fewer wrinkles. Research published in Dermatoendocrinology highlights how omega-3s reduce inflammatory markers linked to acne. A clinical trial by the Journal of Nutrition showed that eating tomato paste daily improved skin's ability to resist UV damage. Science isn't just backing beauty, it's redefining it. What we eat really is skincare. Cupcake Section 4. The Glow-Up Meal Plan. One-day sample. Want to try it all in a day? Here's your one-day glow from within meal plan. Bowl with spoon breakfast. Greek yogurt with mixed berries, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Hot beverage mid-morning. Iced matcha green tea with almond milk. Green salad lunch. Grilled salmon bowl with quinoa, avocado, kale, and tahini dressing. Chocolate bar snack. A few squares of dark chocolate, a handful of walnuts. Tomato dinner. Tomato lentil soup with roasted sweet potatoes and whole grain toast. Evening wind down. Chamomile tea with a piece of dark chocolate or almond butter toast. Boom collision. That's how you glow from the inside out. There you have it, Glow Fam, your skin food starter kit. Backed by science and made for your glow-up lifestyle. Remember, skincare is not just about what you apply, it's about how you nourish. Your glow starts on your plate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more radiant living tips from Dress, Dine, and Shine. Comment below your favorite skin food, or the recipe you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep shining, inside and out. Herb Sparkles Lipstick.